Hello, you able to hear and see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we'll see the candlestick bearish patterns and the continuation patterns. Once again, a disclaimer. The information shared is for educational purpose only. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any decisions on buying and selling of stocks or any investment decision. We are not liable for any gains or losses made by you. The objective of this course is to spread financial literacy. So we are looking at the bearish patterns. And with the bearish patterns, I will show you the corresponding bullish patterns as a revision point of view. So the market was going up. The market was going up. And a long-legged, a doji kind of candle with a small body is formed. This gives me an idea that there is a possibility of the market taking a reversal condition. See the logic here. The market opens here at this level, goes little up, goes down, goes up, and closes at this point. So open is above and close is below. That means there is a bearish tendency. Then the next day, immediately a red candle is seen, which gives me a confirmation that the potential direction is in a downward direction. And then the market goes down. Now, this is a hanging man kind of candle. A parallel link is a hammer. Exactly opposite. The market was going down, a hammer is formed, and the market goes up. So you can see the bullish candle and the bearish candle, they are having very similar relationship. Only the names are different. Don't go by the names. No need to remember that. What we are going to learn is the concept. If I see a bearish kind of candle, when the market is going up, suddenly a bearish candle, wait for the next day, see what kind of a candle is formed. If it is a red color, large size, large body size candle is formed, that means there is a reversal taking place and there will be a downward direction. See the bullish market was going down, a small green candle has been formed, which is a doji candle. Body is small, the wicks are long, and then next day a green candle was formed. This becomes my base. So drop, base, rally, and the market is going up. Similarly, rally, base, and drop, and the market is going down. So this becomes my supply zone. This becomes my supply zone. This becomes my demand zone. Demand zone is where there will be support for buying. Supply zone is there where there will be resistance and people want to sell. Let's go to the next one. Shooting star. See here the candle, inverted hammer. The name is given is shooting star. The market was going up, a inverted hammer is formed. Immediately it gives me a signal. See the previous one also, it was like this only. Only thing, the wick was down. Here the wick is up. So as soon as I sign a doji kind of candle forming, this can also be called as a gravestone doji. And then the following day, we have a red candle. Body is big. And immediately I can understand that the market is going to reverse. See here, same kind of inverted hammer. Market going down, a green inverted hammer formed. Following day, a green long body candle is formed. That gives me indication that this is going to be my demand zone. This is going to be my demand zone. This is going to be my supply zone. Bearish engulfing. What does it mean? This red candle is engulfing the small green candle. So an engulfing candle is formed and the market is going to go down. See the bullish engulfing. Market was going down, a small red candle is formed. Next day, a very large green candle is formed. Bullish because it is green, engulfing because it is engulfing this previous candle. And it is going upward. So here this becomes my resistance level. Here this becomes my support level. Both are engulfing patterns. What does engulfing mean? The second candle form is bigger in size, and the green color tells me it is bullish. The red color tells me it is bearish. Okay. This becomes my support zone, the demand zone, and this becomes my supply zone, my resistance zone. Now we saw the piercing link last time. The second candle should be 50% more. The green one should be close, should be at 50% more. The same logic is here. The red one is opening at 50% above the green candle. So a 15%, the red one is just about that. That means it is like a piercing candle, but the name given in the books is dark cloud curve. So this is a red color, a black color, which is a dark cloud, and it is covering this previous candle. So it gives the indication that this kind of stock can go for a bearish pattern. It is going to go down. You can see there is a confirmation candle on the next day. So abhi wo niche jane wala. Morning star. Market is going down. Sorry, I will show you the bearish first. Market is going up. A doji is candle. Then a red candle. Both these are telling me that there is a fall, a reversal taking place. So here is the bearish trend and the market is going down. Exactly the same way in the bullish one, the market was going down, a doji candle has been formed, then a long green candle. So drop, base, rally, drop, base, rally tells me this is going to be my support area. So here you can see the market going up, a doji candle form, then a big red candle form, immediately telling me that this is going to be my resistance. And the third day, the market has fallen further. Like in the bullish, we had 3 white soldiers. In the bearish, we have 3 black crows. So 3 consecutive days, the size of the candles are increasing. Small, medium size, and big size. They all are continuously telling me the market is going to fall. Here, the market was coming down. Then a small green candle is formed. Then a bigger, medium-sized green candle, and till further third. So it is telling me the market is moving up. Harami, it is nothing but a pregnant woman. So a green candle and a small red candle. So this is the stomach of the pregnant woman, and that is how a bearish kind of a pattern is indicated. And then second day we find that a red candle is formed, and the third day also is red. So it is indicating that the potential downward direction. Bullish Harami, exactly it was reversed. The red candle and there was a green over here. Here it was green and red. Okay, that's the difference. Maribozu candles, whenever a full red or a full green candle is formed without any wicks, we call it as a Maribozu candle. If it is a red candle, we say it is a bearish Maribozu. So these are the locations where we had the bearish Maribozu. If there is a small green, we can consider it as this can be considered as a bullish Maribozu. You can see here, green candle, fully green candle, fully green candle. Let us see some on the stocks. Okay, one more I will show you before I go there. In general, when we want to see a bearish candle, what we have to see, first candle is a green candle. Second candle is a doji small size base candle. It can be a red or a green. Third candle is a large size red color candle. So rally base drop, RBD, rally base drop. So the market was coming up, then a rally candle was formed, big size, then a base small size candle. There can be couple of candles like this, एक दो तीन भी हो सकता है, and then a drop. So rally base drop. That is giving me a general bearish pattern. So remember this, like we had it in the bullish candle, drop base rally, drop base rally, rally base drop, rally base drop, drop base rally. This middle one can be couple of candles. It can be more than one. It can be 1, 2, or 3. Don't take more than 3 because then the zone is not very strong. You can see a demand zone was formed. Here you can see a supply zone is formed. The red color one is a supply zone. The green colored one is a demand zone. So let's see on the charts. We'll take one chart at a time and draw the zones. Mind tree. You can see here green, red, and red. Rally base drop, rally base drop. A small doji candle is formed. So I take this up and I have created my template. This is a weekly supply zone. You can see weekly supply zone. So this is the maximum level it has to cross. What is the lower level? Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles are formed. 4 nahi, 5 hai. So this becomes, if you want, you can consider it as a zone, but I would say we'll take only this. So let us consider this region in which the movement will be there. If I say the day chart, so let's see another Tanla. It has gone up tremendously. A rally, a small base, and a drop. Okay. Now there are many small candles, so I will not consider this as base. I will not consider this as base. Then I go backwards. This will be all overlapping. So the nearest base I will be able to find is somewhere drop base, and a gap up is there. The gap up which is going up, it means we can consider it as a rally. So you can consider this as a so you can see here Tanla has actually come at this level. Okay, some few days back. 4 days back or 5 days back, it has come to this level. So at this level, if you feel, you can enter Tanla. Tech Mahindra, rally based drop. Rally based. So if it is able to pass this level, then the next one will be somewhere up. See, how you will be able to draw is unless and until you start practicing it and doing a good number of charts, you will never have the confidence of drawing the zones in your charts. You can see a rally candle, then 2 small doji candle, and 1, 3, 4 candles continuous. So that's a good zone where you can enter. And here is a supply zone. So Infosys is coming very near to the resistance levels of 1920 somewhere. So it will be getting difficult for Infosys to pass these levels. LTI, the volumes are good, but the moving averages are not showing so good. So I will skip this at present, not to buy. LTTS is looking nice. You can see a drop, base, and rally. Rally, 3 base candles, and a rally. The supply is somewhere here. Even this is a small supply zone. So it will move in this range. Now there are some other things like continuation patterns. Okay. Now sometimes when we are looking at a chart, the stock is coming down and suddenly some consolidation happens in the middle of the chart. So what we say, it is a continuation pattern. Here we can see the stock was coming down, a big drop candle happened, then some pullback happened, 3 candles pullback, which are small base candles. It can be of red or green color. Maximum 1 to 3 you can take, not more than 3. And then once again the rally started going down. So a rally, a base, sorry, not a rally, a drop, a big drop candle, the base, and once again a drop. Let us see here. Any particular thing you can see here? A drop, then a big gap down is there, then some base candles, and once again it dropped. So here is a place we have this continuation kind of candle. Everywhere you will not find everything. Some places you will be able to see such candles formation. See here, a drop was taking place, then two base candles were formed, and once again a drop happened. So this is a continuation pattern, a drop, a base, and a drop. You can see here, a drop, a base, and a drop. Here is the same thing, a drop, this is the drop, then two base candles and a drop. So I can form a continuation pattern here. I can see that supply pattern is a continuation pattern. Sometimes we have it in demand also. See, believe me, 5 years back I was not knowing all these things. But you start gaining knowledge unless you start doing things. See here, a rally, then two base candles, drop, and further drop. Now you can see it has dropped, a big gap up has happened, a small base candle, and once again a drop. So what do you see? You see there is a good supply zone, which is a continuation pattern which has been formed. Two years back, I was never using, I was only using Sher Khan. Then, because I have to help students, teachers, where they may not be having Sher Khan, so I started using TradingView. The more I use TradingView, the more I have become successful. So you just start using it. Just रुको मत, करते रहो आगे. So this KPI technologies. Now I would like to show you something which I have introduced recently in all my evaluation. I'm using the market phase analysis. I'm reading some books also. Market Cycle by Howard Marks. This is a growth stage and this is a consolidation stage. So the stock is in this stage just now. The yellow band is a growth band. This is stage 2 and this is the stage 3. थोड़ा decline हुआ, अभी वो consolidate हो रहा है. उसके बाद what happens normally, if it is a good company doing well, it will move up once again. So if you see on the monthly chart, you can see it is a pattern is like this. This is the growth. This is the consolidation for the last 4 months nearly. This is April. So 3 महीने से consolidate हो रहा है और उसके बाद वापस वो ऊपर निकलेगा. See Tata Elxsi. Growth phase. Now there is a breakout. So a growth phase and a consolidation phase. See APS mine. This was a long big candle, rally, base and a drop. So यहाँ से वो reversal मारा, यहाँ से वो reverse हुआ. Supply zone, where it will start moving upwards. You can see here a drop, a base and a rally. So this is possibly the lower levels of this particular stock. So from 1400, 1084, it will come down and it will go up. At a day level also, you can see, okay, here there is a chart, here is a demand zone here in the day chart also. So what I can see from here, that Happiest Mind has actually now reaching its lowest levels. It will take the support here at this level 1035 and will start moving upwards. Nazara Technologies, Mr. Rakesh Junjunwala stock. The stock is continuously moving down. So I don't see a demand zone here. Somewhere here it will be. Somewhere here. Here it is. This is a good zone. ये बहुत दूर हो गया. A drop, base and a rally. So I take my zones here. This is my demand zone. So what is going to happen? The stock has come very near to its demand zone, the one which we drawn just now. This is the one. Okay. The stock has fallen and has come down to its demand zone. So at this point, 1608, it may take a reversal, hit here and go up. Reddington. I am showing you complete practicals so that you understand how to do. See here, very good. A big leg candle, the small base candle and a very big leg candle. So here is my demand zone for Reddington. Students, many of the people are charging heavily for this thing. Honestly, I'm saying. I'm showing you some concepts which are taught by people charging 40,000-50,000 rupees for a week's course. So here you see a supply zone, a rally, base and a drop. So what do you see? The stock is likely to move. Reddington, it has taken a base level. It has come to 150. ऊपर जाएगा वो. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वापस यहाँ touch करेगा. Some buying will take place and it will go up. IEX. IEX. Here is my demand zone. Here is my supply zone. Okay, you can see that the stock has taken, once it has hit here, second time, now it is moving up. This is a good stock to accumulate. BSE. I have missed this stock. The demand zone which I can see now at the day level is here. One is the small demand zone here. A good level of demand zone is here, but there are small, too many candles. So I will avoid this, but I look at the weekly chart and I can see if I can get, here is a very good one. See, a drop, a base and a big candle, big candle. A big candle tells me it's a very good zone where many people are waiting to buy this stock. So here is my weekly demand zone and I will wait for this level of 713, 710 somewhere to go for this stock. So It is quite far away. You will say sir वो आएगा ही नहीं, possible है, नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन अच्छा जोन चाहिए तो ये लेवल है. अगर आपको एंट्री करना ही है तो यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं, इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But then what happens? That is the case of most of the time. A retailer will buy high, but a FII institution will wait for this level, patiently wait, and then buy. And this is a stock at the all-time high. CDSL. Can you see here? I'll remove all the drawings. Here it is, a drop, base, and a rally. So there was a demand zone which was formed recently here. It is on the weekly chart. So it's nearly its all-time high here. The topmost resistance level is here somewhere, 1738, where it had taken a long week here. If you're looking at a supply zone somewhere, small supply zone is here. Sorry, it is a weekly supply zone. Tata Steel. I'm giving you examples so that now I expect when I'm drawing, you will be able to see it yourself. You can see a rally happening, then a two base candles, and once again a rally happening. I'm on the weekly chart. On the day chart, Tata Steel, you can see this is a weekly demand zone and there is a daily demand zone here. So when both the zones are very near to each other, there is a good chance that that particular demand zone will be beaten. So you can see here, mark my words, Tata Steel will go up. It has gone up here. It has come to this level. It will come down to 1280 levels, 1270 levels. And then it will take a jump. आपको रुकना पड़ेगा, ये लेवल पे अच्छी तरह से बाय करना पड़ेगा. Some of us are so much in a haste not to miss out. Tata Steel will buy at 1300 levels, but that is not the right level. Okay, where is the level of supply? Here it is. You can see a long candle, a spindle kind of candle. So the Tata zone, it is supply zone को hit करके Tata Steel नीचे आया और वापस यहाँ से वो ऊपर जाएगा. Metallics is in bad shape, so I won't consider buying, but the selling point is somewhere here. Okay. Unfortunately, I have bought 150 lot at 900 levels, so I'm trying to sell off this. थोड़ा loss लेके निकल दूंगा. Tata Steel long also is in the same condition. I had bought at 900 levels. Vedanta is a good profit-making stock. Okay, you can see here. There's a big demand zone which has been created. A rally, base, and a rally. See a continuation formation. Rally, base, and a rally. This is a continuation of a demand. Bullish. So this is at a good position. The stock has gone up. At retracement, it will come down. Many FIs are waiting to buy at this level. We'll wait for this point. That point is somewhere near 385. Sale in a bad shape. Will not consider. I'm only waiting to sell off sale because even though it is belonging to the metal group, it has not performed. You can see a divergence here. Here is the level at which you can dispose of. Where the whole market is moving positive, sale is not moving at all. थोड़ा मूवमेंट हुआ है, नॉट दैट फ्राइडे को थोड़ा मूवमेंट हुआ है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग नो एट ऑल, बट द स्टॉक इज नाउ continuously moving in this much area, so not a very good position at present. Naukri, okay. So Naukri is, this is a tested meaning some candles are already crossing this, so this is not the right demand zone, so I remove this zone, because if it is already crossing or touching, then it doesn't work. See a red candle, 3 base candles and a green candle, so this looks like a small demand zone, but once again if I draw it, you can see here it is already, the candles are touching this, so you are already having some people who are doing buying at this levels. It is in the buy zone currently. There is a small demand zone here also, which is exactly, you can see just below this zone. So both these demand zones are lying very near to each other. How do you buy it? I take a long position here. I put my buy levels here. I put my stop loss level little below. And the target can be your upper levels. So it is in the ratio of 2:1. For 1 rupee loss, 2.6 is the gain which I can make. So I can buy at this level, stop loss is here, and the target is up. Deepak nitrate looking nice now. So you can buy at this level. This is a demand zone which is not yet properly created. You'll have to wait for some time. Here also it is not seen. Day chart mein here I can see a demand zone getting created. So if you want, you can enter demand Deepak nitrite at this level. Vardhaman textiles. Okay, the big fall which has happened. Wait for it because something is wrong. Lux Industries negative. Rupa not so good. Dollar is good. Okay, so dollar industry looks good. It is a stock which is doing well also. So drop, then 3 base candles and a rally. So I can pick it up over here. I'll mark this as a demand zone. The high can be here. Okay, so this is the range of the stock. So this is drop, base and drop. This is a continuation method. Same way we have a rally, base and rally. Rally, base and rally. We saw this example just now. Rally, base and rally. This is also another continuation method. This is for falling stock. This is for rallying stock going up. Okay, we'll see some examples because that is the end of my presentation for today. See here. in dollar industries also. Let us see HDFC Bank. 200 DMA, it is touching. So HDFC has fallen drastically. So you'll have to wait for the stock to move upwards before you enter the stock. ICICI Bank, ये 50 moving average है, it is touching. So wait for some time. Kotak Bank, wait. Axis Bank, better place. 50, 21 and 200 moving averages, the price is above that. So it is much better place. You can go for this. You can see a rally, then 3 base candles and a rally. This is a continuation rally kind of. Okay. So it looks nice here. Poonawalla FinCorp, I don't go for this. Bank Baroda. This is a Gantt chart. I will show you sometime how to use the Gantt chart. You can see this is 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 on both the sides. Okay. Now, supposing I have a stock like Suzlon. You know, Suzlon is a very good stock. It has made everyone नुकसान में डाल दिया सबको. Okay. See here, Suzlon Energy. I take this stock. Okay. So from 7 rupees, it has gone to 12 rupees and has come back to 9. Some people in some groups were saying, Suzlon buy करना चाहिए क्या? I was surprised when people asking this question. See this stock? I'm using the Gantt box. From the low of here till the high of here, the stock has come down to 0.38 levels. Whenever the stock goes below 0.25, especially 0.125, means 12.5% से नीचे जाएगा, तो it has gone into the deep sea. Finish. The Suzlon थोड़ा भी बचा हुआ है. Let us see Reliance Capital. Reliance Capital. यहाँ हाई था, यहाँ उसका लो है. Where is Reliance Capital? Okay, you can see in the last 12.5 में it is showing reverse because मैंने ऊपर से नीचे लिया. I can take it from down to up also. देखिए, it is near the 12.5 levels. 0.25 is here, 0 is here, 12.5 level is here. तो ये स्टॉक तो ऑलरेडी गिर चुका है, उसको बाय करके करेंगे क्या? उससे अच्छा जो मिला तो निकालो और गया. Any other stock? I don't know the names of these stocks. Some of the bad ones. So this stock, Yr22, it is continuously showing upward movement. ये अपर सर्किट में था, अभी लोअर सर्किट में. ऐसा स्टॉक को हाथ नहीं लगाना चाहिए. Somebody was asking me about BCG, Brightcom Group. Okay, so here it was normal, but यहाँ से उसका लोअर सर्किट गया, फिर continuous upper circuit. So I don't touch such stocks. Let us see our regular stocks now. UPL. UPL created a lowest levels over here. A drop, base and good 2 rally candles. And the higher levels is over here. Rally, base, and a drop. So UPL is moving in this range. It is facing resistance over here. Some time back also it faced a similar resistance. One top was formed here, another top is formed here. So UPL is not in a position to do much better than this. बस इतना ही. ये लेवल पे गया था, अभी ये लेवल पे गया. This is a stock which I had told you to buy. I also bought some of them from 50 numbers. Vinyl India. So this is a good level, 250 levels. It can go up to this level. I'm expecting it to go. It's a good stock. It is a subsidiary of Pidilite Industries, Fevicol Fellows. So that's the any stock you want me to draw for something or look at, or we close end of the day for today. Anyone?
Sir, sir, ICICI Lombard and LIC Housing Finance.
It's in a very bad shape. जितना ऊपर जा रहा है, कितना मिला निकल जाना, पॉजिटिव होएगा तो निकल जाना. Okay, there's a demand zone here, there's a demand zone here. The stock is still below the 200-day moving average. It has become above the 21 and the 50-day moving average. That's a positive sign. A demand zone has been formed here. Don't buy, exit the stock at appropriate levels. The stock is weak. I don't know much about the fundamentals. ICICI Lombard, General Insurance. Here it is. Fundamentals are not good. Valuation is okay. Technically, the maximum it can go is to this level. It is not a buy, it is negative. So if you are making some profits at some appropriate level, you can exit. Achha, which other stock you say?
So LIC Housing Finance and Avenue Supermarket.
LIC Housing Finance, I think we should reduce, means exit, because ये stock कुछ करने वाला नहीं है ज़्यादा. There is a supply zone here also. The two supply zones are there, one above the other. It is going to face a lot of resistance. Avenue Supermarket, currently it is down, but it is a good stock to hold. Retail will do well. It is down currently. The 21 and the 50 moving averages are above. It is just touching the 200 DMA. But ये stock निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये support पे है, ये level पे ही है. As I told you last time also, this stock is at this support since a long time, and multiple times it has tried to break. It can happen that it can go further low down, because once it breaks a particular, it keeps on hitting a particular support zone, it can weaken that zone also. ये एक support area है जहाँ वो कब से it is trying to break it, but it is not able to break it. This is the support area. I am having this, but I believe this is one stock which will do well. Retail will do well. Trent will do well. Let us see Trent. See here, Trent is doing very well. Okay, performance is looking nice. Rally, base, drop, rally, base, drop. So the nearest rally you can see here is at this levels. Okay, so it's a good stock to buy, Trent, at this levels. It is up, moving up. I believe it is must be at the all-time high levels. Yeah, it is at the all-time high levels. Chalo, we end the day. I have to move somewhere. Take care. See you all. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.